Imagine you are at a big library. One person is building the shelves, that is, the data engineer. Another person is making a simple map to help you find the best books, that is Power BI. And one more person is making a smart robot that can read books and tell you what comes next, that is Vertex AI. If you are new to tech, you might ask which job is right for me. Today, we'll talk about the three paths: Google Data Engineering, Power BI, and Vertex AI. We'll see which is easy to learn, which pays well, and which is safe for the future. Let's start with the easiest one, that is Power BI. If you know Excel, you can learn Power BI. It helps you make nice charts and dashboards for work. You do not need to be a coding expert. You just need to share stories with data. Every company needs this, from small shops to big brands. If you want a tech job in 3 to 6 months, Power BI is a great place to start. Next is Google Data Engineer. This job is for people who like to see how things work behind the screens. While others look at charts, the data engineer builds the pipes that move the data from one place to another. You'll use Google Cloud to handle big sets of data. Is it harder than Power BI? Yes. For this, you'll need to learn SQL and a little bit of Python as well. But here is a good part: data engineering is very stable. Why? Because AI and reports both need clean data to work. Companies will always need people to keep the data flowing. Now, let's talk about Vertex AI. This is Google's tool for building smart AI features like recommendation engines or prediction tools. Here is the best part: you do not need to be an expert to start. If you know basics of SQL and basic Python, you're ready. Vertex AI has a feature called AutoML. With this AutoML, you can upload your data, click a few buttons, and get a working AI model. No code needed. You can also use Vertex AI Workbench, which gives you a ready to use notebook. Just write simple Python to train your model. Use your SQL skills to pull data and clean data from BigQuery. You do not need to know everything on day one, but here is the honest part. If you want to go deeper, like fixing data models, like fixing data model errors, working with the messy data, or building custom AI, you have to grow your skills, and you will build that over time. Think of it like driving a car. AutoML is like the first step. It's like an automatic car. But if you want to fix the engine or you have to race professionally, you'll have to learn more. So you learn it as you go, and that is okay. Every expert was once a beginner. So now let's talk about what is the future of Vertex AI. It is very bright. In 2026 and beyond 2026, Vertex AI will power smart AI agents that can reason and act. Like, it will work seamlessly with BigQuery, so your models train on the freshest data without moving data around. Companies are investing in this platform. Skills in Vertex AI will be in high demand. So now the obvious question: which path is the best? If you want a job fast, pick Power BI. If you want a stable, long term career, pick data engineering. If you love solving puzzles and want to work on cutting edge AI, pick Vertex AI. And yes, you can start Vertex AI with basic SQL and Python. You do not need to wait. Here is my simple tip: start where you are. If Vertex AI excites you, try AutoML first. Build one small project, see how it feels. If Power BI feels easier, start there. Get your foot in the door, then grow from there. You do not need to know everything on day one. You just need to start. The future is not about picking the perfect job today. It's about taking the first step. Which path feels right for you? Do you like telling stories with data, building strong systems, or creating smart AI with just a few clicks? Tell me in the comments. I'll share a free learning roadmap for the path you choose. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple career tips. See you in the next video.